Kia ora, I'm Lizzie Loudon. I'm GP and owner of St Mark's Medical Practice. So come and take a tour. This is our waiting area. This is the children's waiting area in here. This is our admin area. One of our receptionists, previous practice manager. Got some beautiful toilet signs that were made by one of our patients. This is one of our doctor's rooms. We have 4 doctor's rooms, all very similar in layout. Two nurses' rooms. Back onto a stock room. So we have this is a stock room and dressings and things cupboard. And so both nurses' rooms come into here. Each of the non-doctor rooms has a name, so we have birds and native plants on each door, and the doctor's rooms are numbered. And we have nice photos with the doctor's names on each door, which is a new thing. This is our minor surgery room, or procedure room, ECGs, infusions, that sort of thing. We have our nurses station here. This is Ange, one of our nurses. This room is a respiratory room currently being used at the moment, but we have a door that comes in directly into the back of that room so people can come without needing to come through the building. And this is one of our allied health rooms currently being used by our physio, but we also have hip health coach, occupational therapist, dietitian and counsellors. And again, this is another allied health room. And this is our staff room. And we have a computer room here for people to catch up on their admin. And then we have a back door here, which sometimes we use for ambulance. Yeah.